Are you struggling to get back to your normal routine after ACL surgery? Have you been feeling defeated and helpless? Well, we got you. 5 ways you can get back out there. Focus on rehabilitation. It's important to follow your physical therapist's recommendations and work on regaining strength and mobility in your knee. Don't push too hard. It's important to listen to your body and not push too hard too soon, as this could lead to further injury or setbacks. Set realistic goals. It's important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve and to set achievable goals along the way. Consider a support group. Talking to others who have been through a similar experience can be helpful and provide a sense of community. Stay in communication with your doctor. Regular follow-up appointments with your doctor can help ensure that your recovery is on track. Remember, recovery from an ACL surgery takes time and patience. By following these tips and tricks, you can set yourself up for success and rebuild your life after an ACL surgery.